What's up, guys? You might be carrying a Samsung phone every day, but chances are you're not even using half of what it can really do. In this video, I'm going to break down 20 plus hidden Samsung features that most people completely miss but can seriously upgrade your phone experience. From speed boosts to battery tricks and smart multitasking, these settings make a real difference. Just make sure your phone is updated to the latest One UI version and let's get started. Feature 1. Split Screen Multitasking. This is one of the most useful productivity features on Samsung phones. To use it, first open your recent apps screen where all your currently opened apps are shown. From there, tap on the app icon that appears at the top of any app preview. After tapping it, you will see an option that allows you to open the app in a split screen view. Once you select it, your screen will divide into two parts. Now, you can choose another app to open on the second half of the screen. This means you can use two apps at the same time. For example, watching YouTube while replying to messages or browsing the internet while taking notes. It saves time and makes multitasking much easier. Feature 2. Pop-up View Floating Apps. This feature gives your phone a computer-like feel. To activate it, open your recent app screen again and tap on the app icon at the top of any app preview. You will see an option called Pop-up View. Once you select it, the app will open in a small floating window on your screen. You can move this window anywhere, resize it according to your preference, or even minimize it while continuing to use other apps in the background. This is especially useful when you want to chat while watching videos or quickly check something without leaving your current task. Feature 3. Auto Call Recording. This feature helps you save important conversations automatically. To enable it, open your phone's dialer app where you make calls. From there, open the settings menu inside the app. Inside the settings, you will find an option related to call recording. Open it and enable automatic call recording. Once this is turned on, your phone will automatically record selected or all incoming and outgoing calls depending on your preference. This is very helpful for business calls, interviews, or any situation where you might need to review details later. Feature 4. Gallery Labs Hidden Features. Samsung hides experimental tools inside the Gallery app. To unlock them, open your Gallery application and go into its Settings menu. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for an option called About Gallery. When you open it, you will see the version information. Tap on the version number repeatedly until a hidden mode is activated. Once enabled, Gallery Labs will appear, giving you access to experimental features like advanced editing tools and extra customization options that are not normally available. Feature 5. Edge Panel Quick Access. This feature gives you a shortcut panel on the side of your screen. To enable it, open your phone settings and go into the Display section. Inside Display Settings, scroll until you find the Edge Panels option and turn it on. After activation, you can swipe from the edge of your screen to open a hidden panel that contains apps, contacts, tools, and shortcuts. It helps you access everything quickly without going back to the home screen again and again. Feature 6. Circle to Search. This is one of the most powerful search features. To activate it, open your display settings and find the navigation bar settings. Once enabled, you can simply press and hold the navigation area on your screen. Now, anything you see on your screen, text, images, or objects, you can circle it and your phone will instantly search it for you. You don't need to switch apps anymore. Everything becomes searchable directly from your screen. Feature 7. Custom Ringtone. This feature lets you personalize your phone sound. To set it, go into your Settings menu and open the Sounds and Vibration section. Inside, choose the ringtone option and look for the Add button. From here, you can select any music file stored on your phone and set it as your ringtone. This makes your phone feel more personal and unique. Feature 8. Dolby Atmos Sound. This improves your audio experience significantly. To turn it on, open your sound settings and go into Sound Quality and Effects. Inside, you will find Dolby Atmos. Enable it to enhance your sound output. Once active, your music, videos, and games will sound richer with better bass, clearer vocals, and a more immersive experience overall. Feature 9. Notification History. This feature saves notifications even after you remove them. To enable it, open your notification settings and go into Advanced Settings. There you will find the notification history option. Once turned on, your phone will keep a log of all notifications so you can check them later even if you accidentally swipe them away. Feature 10. Adaptive Power Saving. This helps your battery last longer intelligently. To activate it, go into your battery settings and find power saving options. Inside, you will see Adaptive Power Saving. Turn it on. Once enabled, your phone learns how you use it and automatically adjusts power usage to save battery without affecting performance too much. Feature 11. Battery Protection, 85% limit. To protect your battery health, open your settings and go into the battery section. Inside, look for battery protection options. When you open it, you will find different charging protection modes. Select the mode that limits charging to around 85%. This prevents your battery from staying at full charge all the time, which helps reduce long-term battery wear and improves lifespan. Feature 12. Fast Charging. To enable fast charging, go into your battery settings again and open the charging options. Inside, you will find the fast charging feature. Turn it on to allow your phone to charge at a higher speed when using a compatible charger. This is very useful when you need quick battery backup in a short time. Feature 13. Dynamic Wallpaper. To use this feature, open your settings and go into Wallpaper and Style options. Inside, select Dynamic Wallpapers. Once applied, your wallpaper can automatically change over time or based on system design, giving your phone a fresh and modern look every time you use it. Feature 14. Hide Apps. To hide apps, open your settings and go into the home screen settings. Inside, you will find an option to hide apps. Select the apps you want to hide and they will disappear from your home screen and app drawer, helping you keep things private or clean. Feature 15. Always on Display. To enable this, open your lock screen settings. Inside, turn on Always on Display. This feature shows time, notifications, and battery information even when your screen is off, so you can quickly check important info without unlocking your phone. Feature 16. Palm Swipe Screenshot. To activate this feature, open Advanced Settings and go into Motions and Gestures. Enable Palm Swipe to capture. Now you can take a screenshot by simply swiping the side of your hand across the screen instead of pressing buttons. Feature 17. Dual Messenger. To use two accounts of the same app, open Advanced Features in Settings. Inside, you will find Dual Messenger. Select the app you want to duplicate, such as WhatsApp or Messenger, and your phone will create a second version of it for another account. Feature 18. RAM Plus. To improve multitasking, open battery and device care settings, go into memory settings and find RAM Plus. Here you can choose how much storage your phone should use as virtual RAM, helping your device handle more apps smoothly at the same time. Feature 19. Auto Restart Optimization. To keep your phone running smoothly, open battery and device care settings. Inside, go to Auto Optimization settings and enable Auto Restart. Once activated, your phone will restart automatically at scheduled times when not in use, helping clear temporary system issues and improve performance. Feature 20. Developer Options. To unlock this, open Settings and go into About Phone. Then open Software Information and tap on Build Number repeatedly until Developer Mode is enabled. Once unlocked, you can access developer options in Settings, which gives advanced control over system performance and behavior. Feature 21. Background App Limits. To reduce battery drain, open Battery Settings and go into Background Usage Limits. Inside, you can add unused apps to sleeping mode. These apps will stop running in the background, helping save battery and improve performance. Feature 22. Speed up animations. To make your phone feel faster, first make sure developer options are enabled. Then open developer options from settings and scroll until you find animation settings. You will see options for window animation, transition animation, and animator duration. Reducing these values makes system animations faster or completely removes them. As a result, your phone feels much more responsive because apps open and close instantly without delay. That's it for today's video. Now you've got 20 plus hidden Samsung features that can seriously improve how your phone performs every day. If you're using a Samsung device, try a few of these settings and you'll definitely notice the difference. If you want a part 2 with even more hidden tricks, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.